Brick with brick stick, some may say. Now, what we have here is the exact nature of the type of work that we specialize in, right? Where we repair, restore, renew, because that's all we do. When we look at these, they're not in terrible shape. We got some flippity, floppity, jalopity. Good news, we eat that for breakfast. Now, if you come take a look at these, they're not in terrible shape. They need a full-blown OxiClean and a full-blown repair, restore, renew. The side of these is not bad, just dirty. But when we use OxiClean foam, everything is very nice, very nice. Here's what we call over here a brick stick, the money maker. Now, because we use a polymer modified mortar, we are able to use this. If we were to do this by traditional means, I would say we would make a filthy mess. And that's not what the CurbAppealGuys.com do. This is what we do. So back in the day, my grandparents owned a massive catering company. So I was already pretty nasty on a pastry bag, and when I saw this in the store many years ago, I go, this is where it's at. Now we're able to clean this, so we OxiClean foamed this, right? Now we're able to nice and neat put this in, and I'm pretty sure that's what separates us from everybody else. Peace. Brick with brick stick, some may say. What we have here, full-blown curb appeal city is what I like to call this. Like most of our work, these stairs just needed a little love. Good news, we're lovers. It is what it is. Now, if you scan in down here, what we did is grind out everything. And to me, when I look at this finished product, it looks like Point Master Flex did that. I mean, we're talking pro.